It's a pruner. So how does it work? In front, so the whole system is battery powered. We have this small battery. You know them from your screwdriver or those things, those small batteries. The small battery gives the energy for the whole pruner. To start it, just press this button and then like this, okay? Really important, always use the machine with 2 hands, okay? So if you cut the branch or whatever, like this with 2 hands. It's a pruner, it's no chainsaw. Because of that, you are allowed to use it without any cutting resistant trousers or things like that, okay? Nevertheless, it's a good idea to wear them. It's just not necessary. What do we have? We have here the normal chain we use as well on our battery powered, so for the back row as well, on our battery powered chainsaws. It's a quarter chain, it's called in English? Quarter chain? Yeah, okay. Which makes a really clear cut. It makes a small cut and a really clear cut. And this one using the same chain. A big advantage, I can resharpen the chain with the same tools. Here we have some protection. The protection can go up completely. So if I do my cutting, it will not disturb my work. Okay? Alright. The machine itself has no oil inside, okay? So there is no oil to oil the chain. Therefore you will get, when you buy the machine, additionally this oil. Every time the battery is empty, it's a good idea to put some oil on the chain and then it will work until the battery is empty again, more or less. So you get the feeling for it. If it's too less oil, you will recognize it for sure. Okay? Really new product with a new battery, the AS2. The AS2 I can use for this machine and as well for our new brush cutter. Yeah, okay. For a new brush cutter.